Hello friends, today I am going to teach you how to create a Google Classroom, how the children can join the Google Classroom using the code or the link, and how to do the assignment or the classwork, notebook correction using the pen option in your Android phone. Friends, as you all know the Google Classroom icon, straight away we can create a new classroom. So this is my page and this is my classroom which I had earlier created. Down we can see the plus symbol. When you click the plus symbol, we can see the create class, join class option. As we are the teachers, you just click the create class. When I click that, we can see this page. This is a faded page. Here we can type your class, whichever division, you can write the division. And as this is a primary, if you want, you can type primary or secondary. And the academic year 2021-22. And this is my second classroom. So you can write 2 and this is subject. We can type the EVL subject. So once all these details are filled, then we can click the create button. Once I click that, you can see this page. That is, it is process is going on, so it will take another 2 or 3 seconds and the classroom will be created. So down we can see the 3 tabs, that is streams and classwork and stream, classwork and people. So here we want to invite our student, so just click the people button, so we can see teachers, students option. So when you click the teachers, here we can see this page. We can invite our teachers, any teachers sending their email, and we can invite them. Now you come to the students part. Here the code and the link already it is inbuilt in this Google Classroom, so you can share, just click and share in their WhatsApp group. So as the children are there in their WhatsApp, so you can share their link in the WhatsApp group. Now we see the blue link has appeared. So when you click the blue link, so we can see as soon as we click that, we can see the Google class which we have created just now. Now another option is there. See, as you see on the top of this classroom, a setting icon, isn't it? So when you click that icon, so you can see this page which we have created. We can save also. Save option is there, and here we can we can say students invitation settings are given. Here we can see the code number and the link. So anything we can share to our students in their WhatsApp group. So now I am sharing the in their WhatsApp the link, the same link which I have done earlier. Same way, when you click here, we can come to the Google Classroom. So this is one option. Again, when you click, we can see scroll down. See, as I showed you, code number and the link. Now one more option is there. This is also very good feature. See now, that is the what do you call meet video link. So it is given meet video link. So when you click that, we will get create video call. So you can create a video call, means we can setting we can do here, that is students can post and comment. Oh yes, they can do it. And meet video link, when you click that, this is link is copied and we can take it to the WhatsApp group. In our WhatsApp group we can share this and paste, and we can share to our students. The children can join in the Google Classroom straight away. So here they can come, as usually we share. The same way we can share from here itself in Google Classroom. And now the children will join in our Google Classroom. Here we can face to face, we can interact with our students. So we can join session. So this is one more feature, and now you come to the other option, like in the Google Classroom we can see how we can do the correction part. Okay, now I'll show you the my classroom which I had created. I had sent the assignment to my students, so the student has already posted the assignment. So you can see the test I had given to my student. So this is the assignment I had given to them. Now what we can do is we can open the PDF of the students and we can do the correction using the pen option. You can correct with use any color, so it will take time to open sometime due to network issues. So now it's opening, almost it's open. See on the top you can see the pen option, right? So using that pen option, when you click that, you can down we can see the pen option. So I'm choosing the red color here. When I click that and close this button, now we can correct our child's assignment. Like I can randomly I can put this tick mark. I'm going to tick this, or randomly I'm doing it. Suppose if the pictures are wonderful, so you can write a smiley face, you can draw, or you can write a very good a star we can write. So anything we can do it. Now what we have to do is we have to uh, save this, isn't it? See down here, three dot is there, then you can save option is coming. Once if you do the save option, on the top you can see the written options are coming. Okay, so now we can send this assignment, the corrected assignment we can send to our students. Suppose if you feel you want to give some grade, or if you want to give some comments, that also we can do it. So for that we need to just press this button, that is add marks. So out of 5 we can give 5 marks because the child has done wonderful. And now we can private command, we can give good, keep it up, or we can ask them to do the work neatly. Whatever you want to give the remark, you can give it, and we can click the written button. See, as you see the written button, just click it and it will go to our students. So this way we can create the classroom and we can correct their assignment. Thank you for watching.